Is it necessary for someone to be referred to your office by another dentist?
Some people think that the only way to become a patient in my practice is to be referred by their general dentist. And that's not the case. We do have many patients who enter our practice who don't have a general dentist or who do have a general dentist. And they call, they say they're interested in being examined and talking with me, and they become a patient of the practice. This is very much so in the 2000s because of the internet, more so than ever before. And although we get many, many patients referred to us by community dentists and dentists from out of town whose patients are moving to the Washington area, patients don't need a referral slip. They don't need a recommendation. They can just call our office and we'll be glad to help them. One of the unique capabilities that periodontists have is they work with many, many general dentists. Also, they work with many root canal specialists known as endodontists and orthodontists and restorative dentists, sometimes specialty restorative dentists known as prosthodontists. And in our intimate workings together, we get to know who that practitioner is, what kind of care do they offer and achieve. And so I advise my patients when they move out of town, and if I don't already know somebody where they're moving for them to see, I say, find a periodontist, or I'll give you the name of someone, and you have them recommend a general dentist or other dental specialist for you to see. When I do give them a recommendation for a periodontist in an area where I don't know anybody, and I know people all over the world, I'll go to the American Academy of Periodontology's book, essentially telephone book, which lists all periodontist members and where they graduated and what years they were in school at the specialty programs. And I know most of the programs. And I know the philosophical leanings, and I know the technical capabilities, so forth of those programs. And I can usually find someone who has a pretty high chance of being a good practitioner.